semi-finals, and then the best two. Apart from just nurturing our young boys and girls, we also engage with the community to try and uplift them in terms of their socio-economic status. So we started off this particular tournament on Saturday, where we engaged on a medical clinic or medical camp in Koni, where we brought in the communities from across both Kwale and Mombasa, and they had an opportunity just to come and get free medical care and advice from a select group of medics. On Wednesday, we are going to have a digital and financial literacy engagement with the local community, the Boda team, the small traders from Mombasa, Kwale, and Kilifi, who can be able to make it to Mombasa. We are going to be able to instill in them skills that can be able to help them manage their businesses better. We are going to have clinics at Mbaraki Stadium, where we are going to be able to talk to coaches, players, and impart knowledge.